If you think life's tough, try living by these 10 unwritten rules of Brasília's slums. Ready to dive in? Let's go. 1. Respect is law. Without respect, you have no place here. It's the foundation of peace. 1. Loyalty to the community. Betrayal is unforgivable. Unity is strength. 1. Be careful with your words. Words can spark chaos. Speak truth. Stay direct. 1. Respect others' space boundaries. Maintain harmony. Invade and face the consequences. 1. Help whenever you can. Solidarity is practice, not just a word. No one gets left behind. 1. Respect local rules. Each favela has its own code. Follow it or learn the hard way. 1. Don't judge by appearance, character over clothes. Look at the heart, not the looks. 1. Protect your own safety as a collective job. Together we stand strong. 1. Be fair and honest. Justice is swift. Fairness ensures harmony. 1. Live in peace, but be prepared. Peace is earned. Stay vigilant. These are the 10 commandments of Brasília's favelas. Hit like, share, and tell us what you think. Respect earns respect. See you next time.